Welcome and thank you for joining IG Super Electronics Toys. We hope you enjoy our product review of the Hydro Flask Standard Mouth with Flex Cap. Use discount link only found on Super Electronics Toys. Subscribe today. Design in mind, Standard Mouth is ideal for sipping, while still accommodating ice cubes. Also, safety is top of mind, as the bottles are made out of non-toxic BPA-free plastics and 18/8 food-grade stainless steel. The powder coat works with the premium TempShield insulation, which prevents condensation from forming on the outside of the bottle, to give you exactly what you want in an everyday refreshment delivery system. Hydro Flask Standard Mouth with Flex Cap. Just the right size, meets your everyday hydration needs in one container, all while keeping it piping hot or ice cold and fitting comfortably and conveniently in your hand or your vehicle's cup holders and bicycle bottle racks. Insulation innovation, the double-walled, vacuum-insulated TempShield insulation, the same technology used in all Hydro Flask products, will ensure that your beverage of choice maintains its temperature for many hours to come. Insulated, flexible, and built to last, designed with stainless steel pivots and a flexible strap, this cap moves when you do. Plus, it's made with honeycomb insulation to keep drinks cold up to 24 hours or hot up to 12 no matter what the weather's doing outside. Count on ice in the forecast. Whether you're headed to the gym or a quick jaunt across town, you can easily take your refreshment with you. The 18/8 stainless steel double-wall vacuum insulation technology will keep cold liquids chilled for up to 24 hours, while hot liquids remain hot for up to 6. The standard mouth opening is large enough to fit most ice cubes, but small enough to sip from on the go. Double-wall vacuum insulation keeps your ice cubes intact and your drink icy cold for up to 24 hours. It's large enough to hold water for the day, yet it fits easily into a pack, side pocket, or car cup holder. 18/8 stainless steel keeps your favorite beverage fresh and pure, without any leftover flavors or odors. All Hydro Flasks use recyclable materials and are backed by the manufacturer's lifetime warranty. Features: small enough for convenient transport. Standard mouth opening. TempShield protected double-wall vacuum insulated. Keeps hot up to 6 hours, keeps cold up to 24 hours. Durable, sweat-free powder coat finish, except for the stainless option. BPA-free. 18/8 stainless steel. Lifetime warranty. Compatible lids, Hydro Flask Sport Cap. Parks for All. With Hydro Flask's new giving program, Parks for All, they are focusing on one overarching goal, supporting the development and maintenance of public green spaces everywhere. Hand wash only with hot, soapy water. Rinse and dry, and it's ready for adventure. Please like, share this content. Super Electronics Toys need your help to get the word out. Comment or share.